Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you guys like the way the exhaust looks. I absolutely love it. I'm going to include some pictures at the end of this video just so you guys can get a better look of it even more. I love the way it sounds, and I can't wait to actually get a catalyst downpipe on it to see how the sound changes. I know it's kind of different from hearing it in person and in videos, but anyways, here's some clips of the car, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.